How to link your TV with YouTube. Quick and easy 2025 guide. Want to watch YouTube on your big screen TV instead of your phone? Here's how to link YouTube on your mobile to your TV in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Open YouTube on your TV. Turn on your smart TV and open the YouTube app. If you don't have a smart TV, connect a device like a Chromecast, Firestick, or Android TV box that has the YouTube app. Step 2. Go to Settings and get the code inside the YouTube app on your TV. Go to the left-hand menu, scroll down to Settings, and then select Link with TV Code. You'll see a blue code on your screen. Keep this screen open. Step 3. Open YouTube on your phone. Now grab your phone, open the YouTube app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings, Watch on TV. Step 4. Enter the TV code. Tap on Enter TV Code, type the code you saw on your TV, and hit Link. And that's it. Your phone is now linked to your TV. You can now play videos on your phone and tap the cast icon to watch them directly on your TV. Bonus tip. If both your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi, the cast icon will appear automatically at the top of your YouTube videos. Just tap it and select your TV. No code needed. Now enjoy YouTube on the big screen, whether it's for movies, music, or learning something new. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick tech tips.